Good morning, class 9th. Again, we are here to proceed chapter number 3 of history. Our today's topic is the Second World War. Hitler chose war as the way out of the approaching economic crisis. In September 1939, Germany invaded Poland and this started a war with France and England. In September 1940, a tripartite pact was signed between Germany, Italy and Japan. Hitler attacked the Soviet Union in June 1941. It was a historic mistake made by Hitler. The Soviet Red Army defeated Germany at Stalingrad. In the beginning, the US remained neutral in the Second World War. When Japan extended its support to Hitler and bombed at US base at Pearl Harbor, the US entered the Second World War. The Second World War ended in May 1945. With Hitler's defeat, Japan surrendered in August 1945 after the US dropped atomic bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Thereafter, the Nazis' worldview. The crimes committed by the Nazis were the result of a system of belief and a set of practices. Nazi ideology was synonymous with Hitler's worldview. According to this, there was no equality between people, but only a racial hierarchy. In this view, blonde, blue-eyed, Nordic German, Aryans were at the top, while Jews were located at the lowest rank. All other colored people were placed in between depending upon their external features. Hitler's regime is considered as the most barbaric regime in world history. Ideas behind Hitler's racism. Hitler's racism was borrowed from the ideas of Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Darwin tried to explain the creation of plants and animals through the concept of evolution and natural selection. Herbert Spencer added the ideas of survival of the fittest. According to this idea, only those species survived on Earth that could adapt themselves to changing climate conditions. The Nazi argument was simple. The strongest race would survive and weak one would perish. It had to retain its purity, become stronger and dominate the world. Geopolitical concept. The other aspect of Hitler's ideology is related to the geopolitical concept of Lebensraum or living space. He believed that new territories had to be acquired for settlement and to increase the area of the mother country. Poland became the laboratory for this experimentation. Establishment of the racial states. Nazis wanted only a society in pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. They alone were they alone were considered as desirable while other communities were classified as undesirable. Jews, Gypsies and blacks living in Nazi Germany were considered as racial inferiors who threatened the biological purity of the superior Aryan race. In Nazi Germany, Jews were the worst sufferer. Jews had been stereotyped as killers of Christ and usurers. Hitler's hatred of Jews was based on pseudo scientific theories of race, which could be satisfied only through their total elimination. From 1933 to 1938, the Nazis terrorized, pauperized, and segregated the Jews. From 1939 to 1945, they aimed to kill them in gas chambers of Poland. The Nazis tried the Nazis tried to realize their racial ideal through genocide. The most of the northern western Poland was made part of Germany. Polish children who looked like Aryans examined by race experts, and if they passed the race test, they were raised in German families. After this, thank you. After this, we will proceed the next topic, youth in Nazi Germany, just tomorrow.